Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channels. It's Belmont. And you know what? This weekend is Christmas. Time of giving, celebration, to think of others, and all that stuff. And some commercialism along the way, obviously. So, something common that I was asked lately is, hey Belmont, you got any camlock keys? Well, as a matter of fact, I do. As of Wednesday. So, what I have before you is the final craftsmanship works of Mayhem Keys. And he made these before he closed down his website and became a locksmith in Idaho. So what are these exactly? These are the Mayhem Keys Master Key set. And they have seamless access to the commonly used Master Keys camlocks. So for starters, we got the GM2, which is a master key for pin tumbler drawer and sliding glass door locks. It's also compatible with the GM1 applications. Now, this was cut on a 1069 LA key blank. So, to let you guys see up close. And that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Next is the E41A. It's a master key for disc tumbler, cabinets, drawers, and sliding glass door locks. And this was cut on a 1069M RO or RO or O and 5. Here's the bitting. Looks pretty good, honestly. Now, when they say cam locks, they mean like the locks that you would see at Walmart. Here's the E13A. It's a master key for disc tumbler, remove a core cabinet locks on desks. And it's a 1096M, like the E41A, which also has an RO5. Looks about the same, right? But not so much. Since you can see both the biddings are different. Fourth on the line, make sure you can see it, is a D101KY that was cut on a 1043C key blank. Here's the bitting. This is a master key for disc tumbler Timberline desk drawer locks. Finally, we have the M8003, which was cut on a R1000T. Now, this is a master key for various disc tumbler, cam, cabinet, and padlocks. Now, are you going to be able to find these commonly everywhere now? No. Now, while I would think that there are going to be others out there who try to copy Mayhem Keys' work. They are never going to be as good as the originals. And I am addressing Harry, aka Lockpicking Lawyer, who tries to copy everything with cheap keys that bend and break. I'm sorry to say, Lockpicking Lawyer is not going to be able to copy these so easily that he can sell them out like hotcakes. Why? Is because Mayhem Keys doesn't mess around when they make a good quality product, and they can sell it or have sold it for a lower price to save money and to help save the customers money. So they do save their customers money when they were in business. So there will be some more keys up on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a safe and wonderful holiday weekend. And as always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.